Alright, say what you said again, Gharms.
Hey guys, we're here in Calvin's garage, and today we're here for a DIY project, and we're going to be installing the Injen short ram intake into 2019 Civic Type R.
Oh, was it 2019?
Yeah.
I'll say word. I didn't know that. So yeah, guys, you saw that. Welcome back to a new video. Let me actually go show that real quick.
Oh, you see like that different kind of bit.
Boom. The build quality on engine stuff is really nice compared to the engine cold air I had for my HM.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm worried about is heat soak, but I mean I'm just here for the noises, and I heard like this is supposed to be one of the best like noise-wise in terms of
Honestly, any intake, but it's a nice intake. It's a very good quality. So we actually have Simon today, my apprentice, doing the install. And we got apprentice number 2 learning.
I'm just here, I'm the spokesperson, you know. I'm just,
Honestly, it doesn't seem too hard. Just a couple bolts and screws and that.
Why would they do this?
But for some reason, one of the bands are fucking. It's a rivet. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Gotcha.
So that's really weird. I might just break the rivet. Well, we're trying to find a way to open the rivet first, and then we'll see what happens. But so right now, Simon is just unscrewing random stuff while I eat my croissant. Okay, we'll be back.
Oh.
So we ran into a fucking issue. The dumbass Honda tech that worked on this before for the recall fucked up. Focus, you dumb bitch. Focus. There we go. Fucked up the screws here. Gharms said that no one, well, at least to my knowledge, he said that no one has touched this except for the recall.
Yeah, I had the recall where the fuel rails went down.
So, but why would they have to take off the intakes? I don't
I
understand.
don't know, and maybe it was also for the transmission. I had to replace my transmission.
You have to replace tranny too?
Yeah, remember I had to replace my clutch.
Oh.
So
I think the intake would have to come out, yeah.
To like maybe get down there, but
They stripped those. It looks, it's fucked. So we gotta, I don't want to fuck it up because I fucked up Simon's one before and I didn't tell him.
yeah.
No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm kind of worried about that. So we're gonna struggle through this together, right, Gharms?
Yeah, but I mean, once we get it out, we'll just figure something out.
So we got it out with a Siemens Milwaukee drill bit.
Shout out Seaman. It's kind of an interesting drill bit if you actually look at
It's I didn't want to use an impact. I didn't want to fuck it up, but we got it out, and I don't know where to put this. Where'd you put all the bolts?
The other one's over there. Up there. Let's not lose the bolts.
Here. Here. So thank you, Milwaukee. Shout out Milwaukee.
Shout out Milwaukee for coming through.
Shout out for being poor.
Milwaukee boys only. Stop.
Yeah, rigid, bro.
We'll try again. We'll see.
This one.
This is a really fucked up drill bit. So.
Oh, we got it clean. Fuck the Honda techs, but I don't know how to fucking work. Absolute Garage. Hit me up.
Absolute Garage. Calvin FD2 Kabada.
Thank you, Simon.
Thank you, Simon.
1 second. So we're stuck on this rivet thingy right here that I showed you earlier. There's no fucking, we can't shove anything in there. Why does it have to be so dark? I don't want to. Yeah. So that's that.
It's the last piece of thing that we need to fix.
You know. So Gharms fucking Googled it like the smart man he is. And what does it say, Gharms?
No, it says you have 2 options, yo. You can either like screw it out and like destroy the head altogether, or like use like something flat and like hammer it out from the other side. And I don't.
Why? That's so stupid.
I don't know, yo.
So yeah, we're gonna try to hammer that shit out and see what happens. And I'll leave the camera on standby in case something funny happens. So, so Seaman has the idea
He's the right tool already.
So yeah, so what?
He needs his hammer right now, yo. Get the MC hammer.
So he's gonna try to bang it from the back. Should he like nub it up? Watch out, Gharms. Oops, my bad.
You're gonna have to hit it like hard to get it out.
Oh, focus.
I'm gonna have to actually hit it hard.
I don't know where I'm looking. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Let's try again, Simon. What tool? I don't think a rubber mallet. Oh, you're gonna do that. I have a hammer. Let's see. Do I have a hammer? Oops. Here, Seaman.
Like this.
It's not gonna work because someone has to hold that shit. Yo, Gharms, you have a lot of trust.
Yo, don't trust me with the hammer. Nah, chill, move your hand, move your hand. I think it's kind of slick.
I will just break it. Bro, I don't think that's gonna come out.
It's
I think there's a
small
special.
spot.
I think there's a special tool.
There's definitely a tool to remove rivets.
Actually, be careful.
Watch out, boys, there's a fucking wasp in our presence.
Where? The SWAT again.
Find the. Yo, this guy swatted a freaking wasp out of the air earlier. That was
Trying to
fucking
find his brother right
crazy.
now.
Bro, I didn't do anything, yo. I didn't do anything, yo. Leave me alone, yo.
Oh, he's aggravated.
So, I just asked some of my FD friends how to take that off. It's a one-time use clip. I don't know why the fuck.
Yo, I'm telling you, so you have to go to them to do anything to your car, bro. Honda man, come on, man. Why would you do that, bro?
Bro, that's so stupid. That's so stupid. So we're doing a new intake anyways. So we took out the top of the intake box because we're stupid. We should have done that first. And then Simon says, "This shouldn't be changed." Why are you being so nervous? So I was like, "No, it doesn't need to be changed. It looks fine." Garn's like, "I need to go get it changed." I was like, "Nah." I flipped this bitch open, bro. This thing is darker than the fucking black on the car. Garns, bro.
These are kind of rough, yo. At least it's not as dark as me, yo.
Dog, it's darker than you, fam.
Just hold that bitch.
Yeah, you could just do that, whatever. Anyway, so we're moving close, and I managed to. So instead of just breaking the fucking rivet off, I just slid it off. It's so.
Now we can use it.
It's fine. We can reuse it, or we can use a different one. Yeah. So we're trying to figure out how this engine intake goes in, and we don't have instructions, so we're just YOLOing it, and we found where stuff is supposed to be.
We just kind of are putting two and two together still on the fly, and we're seeing how it goes.
We have the fucking. So this is what I like about the engine thing, because it comes with a
Heat shield or
A
whatever.
heat shield, yeah, I think that's what it is. So I already found the placement for it right here. Issue is, don't know if I should use the bolt here or the spacer here. That's the issue right now. So it looks kind of, I mean, it looks sick. Pour the man a drink, bro. I'm trying to YOLO it. I don't think Gharms cares too much.
I care a little bit, but
You're not a pussy, dude.
it's okay.
Actually, where's the intake?
As long as it vrooms, you know, and like it doesn't blow up, like, yeah.
If it runs, bro, it runs. It makes the wish noise, dog. Like on TikTok. So this goes here like this.
Yeah.
And then this, oh boy.
It's probably easier once it's in or on there.
Yeah, I should actually just walk up it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. And then. So now we have a problem. How the fuck does that go into there?
Huh.
You see the issue right now, right?
Yikes.
Nani?
That's lovely, isn't it?
That is very lovely.
Unless we point the intake more this
Yo,
way.
I think you take it off first, shove that in, then put the whole pipe back on.
Wait. Hold on. I think I found it. And then, because how's the map supposed to go in as well? Yo, fuck cars, man. What the fuck is this shit? Look at that. How?
Oh,
It's not gonna work.
Just to make it work.
This fucking thing is so stupid, bro.
Who the fuck even has a tape bar?
Yeah, honestly, for real.
I think we're missing something.
Are we?
Yeah. No, I think we're definitely missing something. We're missing a hose. We're missing a hose that connects these two.
You guys don't have the box that is shaking?
I got it used.
No, but used.
I have a ghetto hose, but I don't think it's rated for pressure.
No, don't worry. I have a shit ton of hose.
Okay.
Hostman Calvin?
Hey, yo. Question, it's not gonna fit. It's too small, bro. Yeah, bro, you're missing a hose, fam.
Missing a hose, dude. Fuck.
This is gonna look so ugly.
Use this ghetto motherfucker, it'll work.
What does he have?
Ooh.
What
Black.
the fuck is this?
I have the offset for it, bro.
It actually might work. It might work. Wait, hold on. It actually might work.
I told you, I got some ghetto shit.
So Simon,
That's Simon's magic bag.
I don't know. I don't know. I think that's just vacuum, so it should be fine. But yeah, we'll try this. See what happens.
Yeah, I don't know how it's pressure either.
This is kind of ghetto.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that. Hot dog in a hallway, fam.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't think it'll work, Seaman. Okay, Okay, you know what? Okay,
The
hold
angles aren't angling it up, yo.
No. Angles are not right.
We'll rebend it. What are you talking
on.
about?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Are you sure this intake's for this car?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I got it off
No
my.
way,
In
dude.
the same year?
Yeah.
There's no fucking way.
Why don't you just YouTube the fucking intake?
We did.
Put the camera down, YouTube that shit, bro. Don't make Michael look stupid in front of us, bro. You just got here. Alright, so we got everything in. We're in the intake in.
No, that's blessed.
Now, it didn't come with a hose, so I had to use my own like thick hose right there. Make sure it's not kinked, eh? I love kinks, but not this one. We're missing a piece, but we're making it happen, right, Gharms?
Yeah, yo.
Are you excited? You sounded so weird there. Yeah, yo.
Yeah, yo.
Are you excited? So yeah, we'll come back. So we're gonna type ours out, right? I guess.
Yeah.
It's
Not the worst. It's just.
Even on what? How are you gonna take
There's
it on
always
there?
some
Random shit going on, you know.
yeah, some. Yeah, no, it was a perfect fit.
How you
Okay,
gonna-
we'll
how you
be
gonna get
back.
stuck
We'll be
onto
back.
that? Like you can't.
So the last clip you saw, we kind of fucked up. Well, we didn't fuck up. Gharms didn't. The thing. So much alcohol. We're missing a hose essentially. So we're gonna make a custom hose, and they went to Home Depot or Canadian Tire or some shit. So Gharms and Seaman are gone.
So we're getting some pipings, and what we're gonna end up doing is we have a quarter adapter here. This is gonna adapt to this, and this port's gonna adapt to this head, and then this way we can clamp the 10-inch thing that goes into the engine. This part right here in the engine, and this part into the fucking intake itself. Honestly, that's the best solution we found. So wish us luck.
So now he wants me to install this heat shield before he comes back, and that's why. Did you see that? That was a fucking trip. And yeah, so we're gonna install this heat shield for them before they come back. Bro, this thing is so shit. Like it's already falling off. It doesn't even fucking go in. Are they? That's it. Like that. Can you see that?
Yeah. Look.
Thank you. Okay, you can stop.
How do I stop?
Press this button, dude. Okay, we're almost done to install. We had to do.
super ghetto. No one. Yeah, we don't talk about that. But
Yeah.
Put it backwards again, motherfucker.
Guess how many guys it took to fucking put a hose on, bro? It took 4 guys.
lot.
4 idiots. So we're about to do the startup. I'm not gonna fucking show that. It was really ghetto, but it works. So the problem we've been having is the PCV. We didn't have a pipe. The pipe didn't come with it, or the rubber hose. Oh god, they can see it. Rubber hosing. So we just made our own type of deal, and then yeah. And we're just zip tying a bunch of stuff. Which Gharms, in the future, I want you to get hose clamps to make it professional, because Simon didn't do that, even though it did hold up. It's fucking ghetto as shit. And at Absolute Garage, we don't do ghetto.
if you change it to clamps, it'll be a lot less ghetto. You know?
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna start the Type R soon, and hopefully everything's all Gucci. No CLs are gonna happen. The intake's too small. What I'm worried about is that shit popping off, but it won't. Okay, Gharms, everything's in now.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go ahead. Oh shit! Everything's working. Any CLs?
No CEOs.
I'm right here. Alright, go ahead. Yo, that's fucking loud! Jeez! Alright, we're good. Woo! Jeez, this car sounds like amazing. Nothing's popping out.
Yeah, if you rub it like that,
It's tight, man.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Good stuff, guys.
How do you feel, bro?
Oh, that's some loud
How do you
shit.
feel, fam? Jeez. Yo, Seaman, good job today.
You guys should have seen him in the project.
Fuck you guys, yeah.
But I think that's it. We finished installing one of the hardest intakes I've ever done because something was missing. But that'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching.
Appreciate you guys stopping by. This is a pretty ghetto fix, but I mean, I like that.
Hey man, if it works, it works. And like we'll just touch up everything. So Simon, end it off for me.
No. Yo.
Alright, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next. Ew, fucking Simon's grease on the lens, fam. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Nice, man.